I finally got them braids I kept telling y'all I wanted, and they are super long. Super long. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, Allison Camille. It's me, Allison Camille, and if this is your first time here, why are you so late, sis? You know what? It's cool. Better late than never, right? Go ahead and subscribe now. You late to the party, but it's okay. If this is not your first time, welcome back. As you can tell from the title of this video, today we're redecorating my bathroom. Right now, the color scheme that I have in my bathroom is yellow, white, and gray, but I'm ready to switch it up. It's been a few months and I need some change, y'all. But before we get into that, I just want to show you guys a few things that I bought really quickly. I went into Citi Trends the other day, and Citi Trends is not a store that I usually think to go in because I really don't like their clothing like that, but I did not know they had a home section, y'all, and we have been sleeping. Let me speak for myself. I have been sleeping on Citi Trends. Like, I am very impressed with the things I got. I picked up a few things for my home, and I just want to show them to you guys really quick before we revamp my bathroom. So if you guys are interested in revamping my bathroom with me, then continue to watch. Please don't forget to like this video. Go ahead and get that out the way right now. Give me a big thumbs up, like this video right now. Tell a friend to tell a friend to come subscribe because they're gonna love it over here. This is everything that I picked up, and I'm about to just run through it really quickly, y'all, just to show you guys what I got. The first thing I got are some more of these velvet hangers. I have these in black, and I'm only using black velvet hangers in my apartment, in my closets. So I picked up 3 of these 10 packs, and I'm gonna put the price of everything on the screen. These were $3.99 a pack, and I got 3 packs. I also got this little pasta server. I don't have one, so I picked that up, and it has this cute, like, kind of gold chrome rose gold handle. I got a cast iron skillet. I did not think that I could walk into Citi Trends and find a cast iron skillet, but I picked up this 8-inch skillet, and it was $6.99. I really have been wanting one of these, so now I have one, and I'm excited to use it. I got a set of 4 coasters, and these are just 4-piece round marble coasters. I'm gonna take it out so y'all can see it. It was $4.99 for the pack of 4, which I don't think is bad, but this is what they look like. This might be my favorite thing that I bought, y'all. I saw this and I had to get it. Like, this is like one of those, it's called a decanter, a glass decanter. This is like when you see like the fancy people in the movies, like the guy comes home from work and pours a glass of scotch and just, you know, whatever. I don't drink scotch, but I'm probably gonna put like some Captain or some Henny in this and put it on my bar back there. Look how empty and lonely my bar looks, y'all. Like, every time I get liquor bottles to put on the bar, I drink them. This is what it looks like out of the box. It is just very beautiful, very elegant, and for $3.99 you can't beat that. I was like, I have to have it. My mom was actually in the store, and she FaceTimed me and showed this to me, and I was like, Mom, that's me. Like, it reminds me of myself. But this is what it looks like, and I love the detailing on it. This is what it looks like up close. It's just this beautiful woman. She's got a lot of culture going on here. She's very shapely, thick. This one was $12.99, so it was a little bit more pricey, but I just think it's so gorgeous and so worth it. This is the only thing I picked up that is not for my household. One thing I do like about Citi Trends is they have some really nice accessories. Not only do they have nice things for the home, but they have a lot of beautiful like bags, and sometimes they have cute shoes. I know in the summertime they be having like cute sandals and stuff. But anyway, I have been really into the tiny bag trend, and I found this, and I don't have an orange bag, and I just thought it was so cute. The material is like, I want to say it's like silicone. Yeah, it's like silicone. Like, it's a squishy bag, but it's just very cute. It has a long gold chain, gold hardware. When you open it up, you probably can't fit much in it, honestly, but it's enough space to fit like your keys, your ID, some money, a shower curtain liner, because you can never get enough shower curtain liners. And I also got this blue shower curtain. This is not the color that I'm changing my bathroom to right now. I'm actually going to show you guys the color we're changing the bathroom to next, but I just picked this up because it was $3.99 and because I think I'm going to do blue after the color that we're changing it to now. I'm gonna switch over to this beautiful like rose, or not rose gold. Why am I calling everything rose gold? I wanna say it's like a champagne pink, and it has this beautiful diamond, like these beautiful diamond accessories right there. I'm going to change my shower curtain to this. This is also one of my favorite purchases. This is also going into the bathroom now once we switch it up. But this is a Juicy Couture bath mat set. Y'all, Juicy Couture bath mat set. And it was literally only $14.99. It's this beautiful white color. It's textured with these little like flower-like designs on it. It is just so pretty. A two-piece set for $14.99 and Juicy Couture. I couldn't pass that up. So this is what we're gonna put in my bathroom today, along with this. And I also got an over-the-door hooks. Like, I have one of these in my bathroom now. I'm gonna show y'all the before and after of my bathroom, of course, but I have one of these in my bathroom now, but this is going to be the replacement because it matches the shower curtain and it just goes with the whole modern glam theme of my entire apartment. I also found this pillow set, and when I saw it, I was like, I have to have it. I thought I was gonna use it on my couch. Now that I see it here, in my apartment, I don't know if I really like how it looks with my couch, but I might use it on my bed. Maybe I'll throw one or two on the couch, but I got two sets of these, so both gray, and these were $10.99 each. I bought a set of washcloths, and this is a set of 6 for $2.99, and they're just all pink, just all this hot pink color. I also bought a set of 24 washcloths, and this was a set of 24 for $6.29, y'all. 24. There's 6 different colors, 4 of each color, and $6 for 24. This queen sheet set, I wanted a new look in my bedroom, so I just got this sheet set. It comes with a flat sheet, a fitted sheet, and 4 standard pillows. Really, really pretty. I love the print. I love the colors in the flower. And then ironically, I found a cotton blanket that literally looks like it could have been made for this. Like, it was $10.99, and the color just goes really, really nicely with the colors in the flowers on the sheet set. So I am pairing those together on my bed. And then the last thing I got was a suitcase for work. Y'all know I'm a flight attendant. Now that I live in base, I'm doing less trips and more turns, meaning instead of going to the airport and leaving for 4 days at a time and being on layovers and having to pack for 3 or 4 days, I'm going to the airport, I'm working a flight, and I'm working a flight back, and I'm coming home the same night. So I just really needed a smaller suitcase. I actually found this at Citi Trends as well. It's just a really very, very ideal small carry-on, and this was $32.99. Oh, I have one more thing to show you guys. Y'all know that rugs are expensive, okay? Rugs are pretty darn expensive, and I really wanted a rug for my bedroom. This is not the color I wanted, but for the price, I couldn't let it go. So I did find this rug at Citi Trends, and this is a 30 by 50 inch rug, and y'all not gonna believe me when I tell y'all how much it was, so I'm just gonna show you. $10. $10 for this rug. It's super soft, and the crazy thing about it is I have a blanket I have a throw blanket that I keep on my couch that is almost identical to this rug. So I was like, you know what? Let me pick it up. I'm not sure exactly where I'm gonna put it yet, but I'll figure it out. For $10, I will figure it out. So that's everything I got from Citi Trends. There is one more thing I wanna show you guys. This is a painting that I took from my mother's house. She gave it to me. This painting is so nostalgic to me because I literally remember, my mom has had this for years and years and years, since I was still in like high school, maybe middle school. So I remember seeing this picture like growing up. And now that I have my own place, my mom gave it to me, and I just love it so much. I forgot the name of it, but this is what the picture looks like. And I'm showing it to you guys because I'm gonna put this in my bathroom. This is what the picture looks like. This is the frame that it came in. Unfortunately, the color scheme of my bathroom, I don't have any gold. Actually, I don't have gold in my apartment. My whole apartment is like silver. So I am going to take the canvas out of the frame. I am gonna keep the frame, but I'm gonna go ahead and hang this picture in my bathroom just like this. And of course you guys are gonna see it when I put it up. But my favorite thing about this, and this was not planned, I didn't realize how much the young girl's jumper matched my new shower curtain that I'm putting up. So I'm just really excited to see what my bathroom looks like once we are done. So let's just go ahead and hop into redecorating the bathroom so we can see what it looks like. So this is what the bathroom is looking like right now. I have this shower curtain up right now. It's just white, gray, different shades of gray, and yellow. The mats I have right now are this charcoal. It looks black, but it's really charcoal. I have that charcoal gray mat, and I have this lighter gray mat right here. That's me. What's up, y'all? This is where I'm gonna put that picture of the young girl and the young boy. And over here, I already took down all my linens and threw everything in the laundry. That's why I don't have any towels up right here. But this is the over the door hanger I told you guys that I already have. I literally got this from Dollar Tree. It is super cheap. It's really annoying trying to close the door. So I'm gonna take that off and we're gonna put up the new one. These, I got these pictures from Amazon, and then I got the frames from the Dollar Tree. I actually bought the frames in gold and I ended up painting them silver myself. We're gonna go ahead and take this shower curtain down now. We're gonna take these mats out and we're gonna bring in our new goodies to put up. I cannot wait to see what this is gonna look like. The shower curtain set that I got, it actually came with the shower curtain hooks, but I am going to opt out of using them. I will save them and maybe use them with a different shower curtain, but the hooks that I have up I actually really like, so I'm just going to keep the hooks that I have. They're really similar to these actually. It's just that they don't close completely, and there's nothing wrong with these. I just really like these, so I'm gonna keep these. So I originally said I was gonna put this picture on that wall, but now I'm thinking that it's gonna look a lot better right up here. So yeah, I'm gonna hang it right up there. Oh, it looks so cute. All right, y'all, so this is the overview of my new and improved bathroom. It looks really, really good. I'm excited. I love, love, love the white bath mats. For decorative towels, I am going to have to get a set of white. The current decorative towels I have now, I have black, I have baby blue, and I have charcoal gray, and neither of those match with my new bathroom decor, so I'm gonna have to go get some white decorative towels. I think I might do that today or tomorrow. But this picture looks really, really cute right here above this little shelf unit thing. I love it. I love how her outfit matches my curtain. I'm gonna have to find something else to put against that wall there, but for now it works. Again, I'm just really, really loving this white Valentine's socks. Valentine's Day came a little bit early for me, okay? I hate that thing. I just cleaned the bathroom, so it smells so fresh and pleasant in here. I have my cactus blossom candle burning, and yeah, everything is looking really good. Everything is looking really good. I love the bling on my over the door hook. It just again ties everything together so beautifully, so nicely. I absolutely love it. Let me know what was your favorite thing from my mini haul that I got from Citi Trends. What was your favorite thing that I showed you guys? Let me know what you think of my new and improved bathroom. Comment down below if you like videos like these. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss when I upload. Please don't forget to like this video, y'all, okay? Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'm gonna talk to you guys in my next video.